Showing company partners on your website is a great way to create connections and more business. Within your website, you are able to add partners at the company level and loan officer level. First, you will need to be sure there is a partners page on your website. If there is not one, you will need to contact your website owner or administrator to add it. Go to the website, then Edit Website. Look for a page you may already have called Our Partners. Sometimes this page is hidden on the website by default. If you do not see this page at all, skip to the next step to see how to add it. To make the page accessible on your website, click the three dots of the selected page on the editor navigation on the right. A new window will appear and uncheck the box Hide from Menu. It will now be visible on your website. If you do not have a partners page, go to the navigation menu in the website editor and click Add Page at the top. Title your page and click Next. Choose your layout. It doesn't matter what layout you choose, and you will still need to add a specific row to the page to show your partners. Click Save. You will now be on the new page. Click Add Row. In the window that pops up, click About. Scroll to the bottom and click the third option from the end. You will see it labeled as Partners. Click Use this row. With the row selected on the page, you will see the row settings in the navigation menu. If you would like to show company partners on all loan officer websites alongside the loan officer's partners, toggle the switch on. Partners added by loan officers will never appear on the company version of the partners page. To add a partner, go to the left-hand side and find Partners. Then click Add Partner at the top. In the user dropdown, you can select whose partner this will be. Only a website administrator or owner can add a company partner. Loan officers can also add their own partners that won't be shown on the company page. Then select a category from the next drop-down menu. Continue to fill in the information needed on the rest of the form and click Save. To add images for the partner listing, click on Edit, then the Image tab at the top. This area is for uploading a headshot of the person. The Logo tab is for uploading a picture of the partner's logo. Upload the picture you need to use and click Save. You have now successfully added a partner to your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.